wala pala. Balik tayo. Ibalik natin. Kasi hindi natin sila nakuhaan. So, ipopromote natin yung kanilang event. Akala ko na-record ko. Hindi pala. Ay, pasensya na. Kasi minsan may pagkasyunga-syunga ako, promise. Totoo, minsan may pagkasyunga-syunga ako eh. So, we will, babalik tayo and then we will promote their logo. Ayan. Promote natin and then ayan. Join us for water sports adventure and then i-zoom nyo na lang po yung kanilang yan. I think it's promo ba yan, kuya? So kukuhaan ko po yan, i-promote natin. Okay, i-zoom nyo na lang po yung yung video natin and may promo sila. Dahil sabi ni kuya may promo daw sila ngayon. So hindi po promo yan. 50 ng isa. Okay. Ayan niya, yun ba yung 968? It's your number, that one, kuya, or that is for the company number? Company number. Okay, kuya, can you magsalita ka nga, kuya?
My number 77301760. My name is Archie Kabayan.
Okay, nakita niyo si kuya, okay? Kita niyo si kuya yung kanyang number. Please contact him if you are interested po para sa kanilang join us for water sports adventure, okay? And then please, if you are interested, contact him and also visit their website, okay? Visit their website, yan po. I-zoom nyo na lang po, ayan, nakita nyo na. Okay, and thank you, kuya. Thank you po. You are a Filipino, kuya, or just pretending a Filipino?
I'm pure Bisaya.
Where are you from, Bisaya, kuya?
Boracay.
Ay, Boracay. May kapatid ako from Tacloban. Later, Aklan. Aklan?
Aklan.
Yeah, kasi nandun yung kapatid ko. Nagtatrabaho siya sa tourist guide siya sa may
Boracay.
Boracay.
What name?
Si Leonardo Cordoba.
Station 1 siya.
So you know him?
Yes, Station 1.
Are you sure you know him?
Station 1 siya natambay.
So can
Before I'm tourist guide also there.
So you know my kapatid si Leonardo Cordoba, it's they call it Leo?
Yes, Leo.
Oh!
Small one?
He's not small, mataas siya.
Sa Station 1, Patning Timol, Station 1, ganyan siya.
Negro, kakilala ka daw ni kuya. What is your name, kuya, again? Si Kuya Archie, kilala ka daw, Negro.
Sa Mandaran ka mo natambay.
Di bali, naka-video ka, kuya, okay yan.
Sa Mandaran ako natambay, dating guide sa Boracay, tour guide.
Okay, thank you, nice to meet you, kuya. Okay, nice to meet you, thank you. Okay, thank you. And also to you, sir, thank you very much also. Namaste. You're India or you're Bangladesh? Sri Lanka. Okay. Can you, sir, tell the Sri Lankan say good morning?
Good morning, what Sri Lankan dialogue?
Dialect yan eh. Shuhadi good morning mal Sri Lanki.
Morning.
Yeah, Shuhadi good morning mal Sri Lanki. Say good morning also? Aipua? Aipua. Yes. Alpua. Hey, hello to all of my Sri Lankan follower. Si Kuya, he's from Sri Lanka and he said, Aipua? Aipua. Okay, hello. Thank you. What is thank you? Thank you in Sri Lanka. Thank you. What is Sri Lanka? Thank you. Story? Stuti. It's okay, kuya. Another language we learn today is Hestuti. Hestuti or Estuti, whatever. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, kuya. Yan, promote natin yung kanilang adventure. So, okay, bye-bye and thank you. Mas salama.